I am Abhimanyu Pratap Singh Chauhan. Today I came with the next video. Today's our topic of discussion will be about one of the famous personalities about whom you all would have heard a lot nowadays. Yeah, I am gonna talk about Sonam Wangchuk. So recently you all would have heard a lot of news about him. So who is he? Who is Sonam Wangchuk? So he took birth in Ladakh in district Leh. In the initial phase, he struggled for basic education also because he took birth in remote area, because of which he couldn't get the education at the age of 9 years, although he did his mechanical engineering from NIT Srinagar. At that time it used to known as REC Srinagar. Around or onwards 1988 he started doing some of the revolution in education field. At that time there were a lot of language barriers and there was irrelevant curriculum of the education. So by concerning about these things only, he did the foundation of SECMOL. SECMOL includes pragmatical learning, renewable energy means promotion of renewable energy, enterprises, or self-governance. What does mean by self-governance? Means students reside into the campus and like cooking the food, managing their stuffs, everything gets done by students only. And for renewable energy, so energy gets used through the solar panel and everything, means they are entirely dependent on themselves only. They aren't required to ask or seek the resources from outside. You all would have seen Three Idiots movie. In that movie also there was a Hungsuk Wangdu. This character was there in this movie whose role was played by Amir Khan. So this character was also inspired by Sonam Wangchuk only. And if you talk about Ice Stoop, that is there in Ladakh, so that was also framed by Sonam Wangchuk only. Actually, it is a kind of an artificial glacier that tackles the dearth of the water. In summer, when most of the glaciers get melted, at that time for helping the farmers, for helping the animals, means farmers irrigate their field at that time through this glacier also. And animals drink water into that also. So this is one of the biggest initiation by him only. And for these social acts only he got a lot of awards, like one of the awards that is known as Ramon Magsaysay. It is one of the Nobel awards for Asia, so he got that. Now let us talk about his political interference. How did he come into the frame, and how did people start knowing about him this much? So in 2019 when BJP came into the power with full majority, then it abolished article 370, which used to state a kind of a special status for Jammu and Kashmir, and it also created a union territory to Ladakh. Just because of these two developments only, there were many concerns those grew up at that time, like land ownership was getting snatched from the people, job was getting removed, and tribal community was losing the identity of itself. And the last but not least, the ecology of Ladakh was getting shaken drastically. It was a kind of a rapid process when ecosystem was getting hampered because of these recent developments only. So in these regards only, Sonam Wangchuk demanded some of the points from the administration only at that time. So that demands includes statehood for Ladakh and inclusion of Ladakh into sixth schedule of the constitution. As there are 12 schedules into Indian constitution, so sixth schedule states that Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram, these four states are there. Those are having special status. Because of this only, they just enjoy some of the special rights. In the same fashion, Sonam Wangchuk was having a special demand for inclusion of Ladakh into sixth schedule only, and he was demanding for separate parliamentary forms for Kargil and Leh. Means Kargil is one of the districts in Jammu and Kashmir only. So there was a demand for separate parliamentary system for both, and his demand was for creation of local job for localized people only. Means there were jobs, but that was for public only. Means that wasn't for local people only. But he demanded in the concern of the local people, and this led him to go for one of the revolution titled as Delhi Chalo, means Delhi Chalo. This is localized known as Delhi Chalo. So most of the people went for Delhi for just showing their anger with this issue. But at that time, the Delhi police suppressed this revolution, and most of the protesters, including Sonam Wangchuk, were also detained. Now let us talk about latest update. Why did this information spark again? So recently administration announced some of the new notification that includes domicile or employment notification that addresses the local job requirements. But whatever the key issues were there, like giving the status to Ladakh as statehood only or inclusion of Ladakh into sixth schedule, wasn't tackled by the government. So because of it only, Sonam Wangchuk came into the public domain and he committed for he committed for doing fast for indefinite period of a time until government gives some of the relaxation. Now let us talk about the solution of it. As there is a concern for the government also, there is a concern of people also, and whose concern is getting put by Sonam Wangchuk. So what is the problem? Which difference is there? Are there some of the things common into both, or both things are demanding completely both different things? So let me tell you guys, the administration is not giving the status of statehood for Ladakh. So there is a reason into this. By concerning internal security, by concerning administration, statehood for Ladakh will be detrimental for nation. As before 370, there were a lot of rights, there were a lot of problems into Jammu and Kashmir. But since central government took the command of Jammu and Kashmir directly, since that time, these kind of activities related to terrorist attack or some of the skirmishes used to happen. So that has exponentially decreased. So this is one of the benefits because of having the kind of a footprint like this. But if you talk about local people, so local people are getting stressed because of it, because they are losing the job, their work is not getting secured, and they are not getting the proper identity also as they require. So these things are getting lost by the local people. So there are problems from each side. So both concerns are legitimate and both are significant. So let me tell you the solution by myself only, whatever the understanding I have. So I am giving my point of view on it, that there should be a kind of a special status. Means it is not mandatory to include Ladakh into sixth schedule only, but there can be a kind of a special status for Ladakh that can be included in certain domains like administration and internal security, and some of the other works can be controlled by the central government only, and some of the works related to public welfare or job creation or some of the constructions of building into local areas. So these things can be handled by the state government only, and this can be done through the some of the constitutional amendments only. So this will be required, not only the constitutional amendment, we can make a kind of a act for it also. So this will be really helpful. But as per the situation, we are having the updates related to Sonam Wangchuk. So he had started his fast on 28th of June, and it is 15th of June when I am recording this video. So some of the news is coming that he has lost his 8.5 kilogram weight also, and yeah, it has been 17 days, so it is obvious that he would be having some of the problem in his health. So if we go for this demand and if we go for this status, so this will be also really helpful. I hope you all would have got the proper background of it, you all would have got the recent update related to this, and if you have got the proper understanding on this topic, like my YouTube video and comment whatever the part you like the most, and you can subscribe my channel also, and on whichever topic you all demand, I will try to come with that video only. Just I record these videos for you all only, so that you all could understand the topics easily. I hope you all would have enjoyed. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Radhe Radhe.